Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Davey with Western Material Handling. Today we are excited to test drive stock number D21132. It's a 750-hour 2015 Yale GLP050LX. It's a 5,000-pound pneumatic tire forklift. Davey's going to give us a quick little run around. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast, does approximately 189 inches of max lift height. He's going to run it up for us. This unit does have side shift carriage, load backrest, 42-inch pallet forks. There's the tilt function. Nice and smooth. There's a side shift. This unit has excellent solid pneumatic tires. Has a great running 4-cylinder PSI LP gas engine, automatic transmission. Has a recent repairs, brand new PM service. Excellent running truck. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either warehouse in Denver or Fort Collins to check out our inventory. We appreciate you very much for watching. Thank you.